Hello and welcome back to Rybotechyt. Today we're reviewing the AMVR controller grips for the Oculus Quest 2 to see if they're worth your money. If you like the video, drop a like, really helps me out. If you really like it, so get subscribed. I've got loads of Oculus Quest 2 accessory reviews. As always, the links are in the description to purchase them. They are affiliate links, so I get a little kickback if you buy them with no extra cost to you. Right, let's get it unboxed. Just a little disclaimer, these were sent to me for free by AMVR. But my review, as always, is honest. Let's unbox it. We got the AMVR warranty card. And they've sent me the black ones. So they're actually quite a hard plastic. I expected them to be a bit softer. I suppose it makes them more durable. We've got loads of different straps, all different colours. So we've got 4 different straps. Looks like the white ones are slightly shorter. Only very slightly though. And then we've got these little clips. They're actually, I think they're metal. So therefore actually they're spring loaded to hold the grips in place, I presume. And then we've got the instructions. So let's install them. So these are different size slots. You got double XL, XL. Top one's where that little Velcro strap goes in. Large, medium and small, and that's for your palm size. This spring loaded bit goes into the bottom with this push button upwards. So you need to, I'm going to go for the large hole. So if you push this band through from the inside to the out, it's a bit tough. That end of the band has got this little tab on so it won't pull all the way through. Then we press down the spring, push it through. And I need to put the controller into it. Now there's a little hole for the wrist strap. That's quite nice. Push that through first. Oh, I've got that through. Slide up the controller. Looks about right. Is that meant to be folded inwards, I presume? Get a little bit more slack. And fold it in. Yeah, that's better. Right, so now we need to put these Velcro strips on. So this will hold the top to the ring. So if we go through here, on the big holes, around the ring, thread it through the hole, get nice and tight, stick it down, and I think that's it for one controller. There you go. I do like this like silicone as well. That just keeps your hand gripped on it a little bit more. Right, so my first impression of the grips. You have to have them on just past your knuckles. There. When I first put them on, I kind of put them all down here, which feels more natural, but it works a lot better when they're very close to your knuckles. It is nice not having to hold onto the controller like even now. Like you can just swing and they're on pretty stable. Like they're not coming off. I have got the straps on just in case, but yeah, I'm happy with how tight they stay on, to be fair. I'm quite impressed with that. And they're not like mad tight either, like you can still, because they're elastic, there's still a fair bit of give in them. But because of that rubber on the inside of the strap as well, that helps a lot. So let's try them out in a game. Try a bit of HyperDash. They do pull my hand like further into the controller, if that makes any sense. So like the thumbsticks are a bit more, kind of a bit more like my thumbs halfway over them rather than like on them. So that'll take a little bit of getting used to. It's still easy enough to press all the buttons, apart from the menu in the Oculus button, because this top black part overlaps slightly. So it's just a little bit harder to press them buttons, but you don't use them very often anyway, so that's not too much of an issue. I've played this game for a little while, so it might be a bit sketchy. Yeah, I got killed by a bat. Double kill. Oh, that was a good kill. Good game. So they work very well in HyperDash, but HyperDash you don't pick anything up and drop anything. Your guns are always in your hand. So we'll try a different game. So let's go chopping. You do pick up things and put them down. So I just want to feel what it's like. Just like grab it on. So you can literally let go of the controller. It is a lot more immersive because you're grabbing it. I know it sounds very basic and simple, but you are grabbing onto stuff rather than always holding it and then pressing in a button. So it's like open hand, closed hand. I like it. Let's go practice area. That's the coolest thing. You know you can let go of the controller. I do actually like these. They're pretty good. So the grips are much better when you're in a game where you're picking stuff up. Obviously, rather than when a gun's always attached to your hand. Some ninja. You throw these. Can I have it back out your leg, please? What if you drop it on them? Yeah, that's pretty cool. So yeah, I'm quite happy with these. Let's get to the final thoughts. Do I recommend them? Right, so my final thoughts on these grips. It's really nice having this rubber on the inside. Keeps it in your hand very well. To the assembly, like installation, could possibly be slightly easier. I don't know how they would make it much easier, so props to them for that. I like having the strap still, so you got that extra bit of security just in case if you're playing next to your TV or like I do next to the computer. You don't want to accidentally slip off. I don't think they would, but you never know. If you do think this bit is a bit long, you can cut it off and that'll show you the instructions just to singe the end with like a lighter or over your cooker or whatever. And the only issue I had with them was how this bit sticks down slightly, and it does make it slightly harder to press the Oculus button, or on the other one the pause button, menu button. But apart from that, they're really good. That's a very small little niggle that I've got about them, but that's it. So do I recommend them? Yes. They're actually a very good product. They're much better than just using the controllers on their own. Gives you that slight bit more of immersion. If you like the video, drop a like on it. If you really liked it, subscribe. I've got loads more third-party accessories reviews and also how-tos on the Oculus. So check out my channel. Guarantee there'll be something that you'll like. Thank you for watching. Goodbye.